It's Warrior Block. Today we have an unboxing from Amazon. Let's get into this unboxing. The reason why it's from Amazon is because I got two things. First, I got a cube, and I got something else, which is for something really cool. I don't know what this is. Some random packaging. So this is what I'm really excited for. If I can get it out. YueXiao Pro. This is a main that I hope that will be mine. And just this other thing for a camera, for a new camera I'll be using. And just something else. So the main thing, besides this, let's put this on the ground. I just really was excited for the YueXiao Pro. But anyway, first I see that it comes with a nice little cube bag. It's really nice. Here we have the YueXiao Pro. Wait, can I even get it out of here? I don't care about these Ziploc baggers. Okay, there. Let's get off the plastic. There we go. Oh, I'm excited. There. Here we have. So the box is pretty nice. It is in stickerless. Whoa, it feels really nice. But anyway, it comes with MoYu cube stand. Lucas Eder MoYu card. A screwdriver, another MoYu card, and some, and these, I don't know what these are, but some of these, and the pamphlet. That's pretty good unboxing, but here it is. I'm really excited. There we go. Here we go. First of all, it's kind of lubey on the outside, and I really like the colors, the stickerless color shade. They look really nice. Let's see, tensions are kinda feel weird. This feels like slow, but like not sluggish. Like, yeah, that's what I like. I like slower puzzles. And yeah, this is actually pretty nice. Let's check cordon cutting. Can do line to line. And reverse is just one piece. This feels really fluid and nice. It's quite smooth, but not fast, which I like. Because my other mains, my GAN and my GAN's 356 RSM and my GTS gym were way too fast for me, and I just wanted a slower cube. But anyway, corner twisting may be an issue, but I don't think it will, because this looks like a really good speed cube. I'll just take a quick look at the mechanism. That wasn't too hard to get a piece out. Like I saw in some of the videos, has like the 3-piece design. Let's focus that. There. And for the corner, it's just like this is like the 3 design, and this is the 3-piece design. That's what I meant. It's like the 1, 2, 3. So let's reassemble it. There and there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!